Hello guys, this is Nick. Welcome to Life Vibe, where we do walking tours of different interesting places. Today we are visiting the Sequoia National Park Visitor Center. Inside they have the gift shop where they have all kinds of great souvenirs for sale. The park is huge and I advise you to plan your trip here at the visitor center for road closures due to storms. It is best to pick up the park newsletter for information about services, facilities, activities, and special events listed by current season. The park staff are willing to help you with your trip. They also have an exhibit about local animals and their habitats. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe to help the channel. Let's get started.
Hello.
Good
Morning.
morning.
Took out giant forest?
Yeah.
How's a miniature forest doing? Where the world's smallest tree.
You could use this little section right here to be a diorama. You did Sequoia's coming up with this now. If you had the money for the hologram, it would be great. Yes, I've seen that one where oh, I love it. I love it. As I want to do. That's how this makes money. This is how we learn to do it.